In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a password on Windows 10 so you can keep your laptop or PC more secure. Let's start right from your desktop. First, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Start button. This is the Windows icon. When the Start menu opens, you'll see a small gear icon, which stands for Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the main settings window where you can control most of the important options on your computer. Inside Settings, look for the option called Accounts. This is where Windows manages everything related to your user profile, sign-in details, and sync settings. Click on Accounts to open it. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of sections. Find and select the one labeled Sign-in Options. This is the place where you control how you log into your device. Once you're in Sign-in Options, you'll see different ways to sign in, like password, PIN, maybe even fingerprint or face recognition if your device supports it. For now, focus on the password section. If you don't have a password set yet, you'll see a button that says Add. Click on Add to begin creating your password. A new window will appear asking you to enter the password you want to use. Type in a password that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Try to avoid simple things like 123456 or common words. Instead, mix letters, numbers, and maybe a symbol or two if you're comfortable with that. After typing it once, you'll be asked to enter it again in the Confirm Password box. This is just to make sure there were no typing mistakes. You'll also see a box for a password hint. This is optional, but it can be very helpful. Type a short clue that reminds you of your password without giving it away directly. For example, you might reference a phrase or idea that only you understand. Keep it subtle because anyone who sees your screen can see this hint. Once you've filled everything out and you're happy with your password, click Next and then click Finish. Your password is now set. The next time you restart or wake up your computer from sleep, Windows will ask for this password before letting anyone in. If you ever want to change it later, you can come back to the same Sign-in Options page, select Password again, and choose the option to change your password. That's all there is to it. Take a moment now to test it by locking your screen and signing back in, just to make sure everything works the way you expect.